Good afternoon and welcome to another episode of All Things Zimbabwe. My name is Karen Mukwedia and I'll be your host. Today, we're going to be talking about second-hand clothing. And to help us, we've enlisted an expert in all things in general and second-hand clothing in particular, Comrade Dambura. Comrade Dambura, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me. Thank you. Can I just say
Thank you so much, Comrade. But let's get back to the matter at hand here. Let's talk about second-hand clothing. So what should one look for when they're purchasing second-hand clothing?
First things first, let me correct you. We don't call them second-hand clothing.
Okay.
Too much mabelo. Because ukaramba uchiti second-hand clothing, colonialism, perpetuating colonialism. Ukati bero, link kumurungu, gone, just like that. But then to your question, when purchasing a bero, the most important thing is price.
All right.
Anything more than $6.50 per bero, yato embe kwa Edgar's. Saka udari kids per $6.50. Wodzikawo because the price nokutaura kuti hembe yakapfekwa kangani isati yaitwa mungarava kuti iye paAfrica shinda dzakasimba sei kana wadzikawo kuma500 kwakungopfekawo zvekuti usafamba wakashamba but wakutongopfekawo nevadzimu vemurungu.
Okay, thank you so much, Comrade. I'm sure this is very valuable information. I'm sure everyone at home is appreciating this information right now. But Chitu would say, now how do we maintain these second-hand clothings or jamataura kakuti mabero? How do we maintain them?
Right, another important question. What the people should know, people at home should know is kuti, contrary to popular belief, bero aridi zvekuwachwa, zvekumanya.
Okay.
Bero roda pole pole because bear in mind kuti kwarabva ikokoka pamwe raishandiswa washing machine saka shinda dzisina kugwinya semugwinyiro wadzanzi dzakaita padzakatengwa ukawachawo hauyanike direct muzuva wakutoyanikawo pamvuri because unoona pasisina chinhu kana wawacha usaaine especially mabhero ema500 mucheka wese unoperera muaino saka chikuru ndechekuti kungopfeka. That's people need to know this.
Okay. Oh, this is very valuable information, Comrade. But don't go anywhere because Comrade Dambura is going to be telling us a little more about second-hand clothing.
Hi guys. Jaram chero. Yay! Aiwa uyu mucheka wendara asimata makarova iskita. Uyu mucheka wendara. Amalevo zakaipa jacket leader pana. Amakarova smart. Amakarova smart. Ando yeah, I was bad. So what are you guys saying? So I'll go cheese it. I'm gonna check on that. That's the berry for my lady. You are trying to do it, in another time. You already say. Wow. What did I say?
To avoid embarrassment like Mkomamunya, get all your beros online at www.b4yehembe.jp.
Hello and welcome back to All Things Zimbabwe. If you're just joining us, we're in studio today with Comrade Dambura, who's telling us all that we need to know about second-hand clothing. Okay, Comrade Dambura, you were talking about mabero, and we need to know what are the do's and don'ts when purchasing mabero.
Right, zvinhu zvose zvine mutemo wazvo. Kumabero kune mutemo, this is mirayiro. This is what I'm about to tell the people.
All right.
Rule number 1, kumabero akuitwe window shopping.
All right.
Don't leave your house if you have no intention of actually buying bero.
All right.
Number 2, touch is a move. Nyaya yekuti wosimudza bhero wodzorera wosimudza bhero wodzorera uri kusvibisa hembe dzevanhu saka wotosimudza make sure kuti uratotenga. Number 3, pabhero. I hope that people are listening because this is very important. Number 3, pamabhero hakuna zvazvekuti bhero iri rakashota mabhatani iri bhero iri hana. Be in mind kuti hembe ikwayabva kure. Be in mind kuti hembe ikwayabva kure mamwe mabhatani akasharira kuhitho mamwe mabhatani akasayira mubhera parinenge chifamba mupipeline pipe saka chingopfeka ibhero iri kana woda zvekuningirino woenda kakunotengeswa dzinembe saka mabhatani akakwana. Number 4, but most importantly, pakutenga bhero unouya nemari inoenderana nezvauda kutenga.
Alright.
Haungati iwewe watenga bhurugwa re$2 woda kubudisa $10 yakabatana ngaringozara pa$10 ipapo because vakutoisa namomzi bhero pamiyedzo vakutofanira kutotsvaga change. Saka inyaya yekuti kungonyarana sevanhu chikuru ndechekuti tisafambe takashama handika right, but basically ndo mirayiro yebhero.
Handiti. Thank you so much, Comrade. I'm sure everyone at home found this information extremely valuable. All right, now that's all that we have time for today. Thank you so much for joining us, Comrade Dambura. He has informed us quite a bit about these second-hand clothings. Join us again next time here on All Things Zimbabwe. My name is Karen Mukwede, and I've been your host.